What's good, guys? Um, more time has passed. we are. It's like the next day. I passed out twice from more of that dope dual mufflers. So um, yeah, fucking. We're here now though. So yeah, we haven't gone anywhere in the game. The volume's down. Guess I go this way. She's like, I'm the princess of Agrabah. But he has been some shit. Ooh.
A letter. Where might I find this street rat? Jasmine, allow me to find you more suitable company, my dear princess. These little rats won't do you, see.
Jasmine, run!
Ah, the boy who holds the key.
I don't know where the fuck to go. Bro. It's been so long since I've done fucking Agrabah and fucking. Dude, what the fuck? Up here? This is Aladdin's house. So just read the magic carpet. Um, so maybe that'll do something. Probably. Oh shit, you can go out. That'll be it. Yo. Bro. He's fucking dying. Maniac. Holy shit.
Gordon's got him. Genie, get rid of these guys. Wish number one coming right up. I see. Thanks, Sora.
Aladdin, what are you doing out here?
Up to 8 minutes
Same
or
old stuff.
whatever.
Hunting legendary treasure. Just paid a visit to the Cave of Wonders. I found that magic carpet and this lamp. Legend has it that whoever holds the lamp can summon
Please, kid, leave the intros to a professional. The one and only Shooting of the Lamb. Rub it up the lamp and have your dearest wishes granted. Aladdin, congratulations. Patience, my fine feathered friend. Any 3 wishes. Oh, 1 wish, a 2 wish, a 3 wish. Then I make like a banana and split it. Lucky winner made his first wish.
And let me tell you what a doozy that wish was.
So he has 2 left. So, master, what do you have for wish number 2?
How about making me a fabulously wealthy prince?
Whoa! Money, royalty, fame! Why didn't I do that? Okay, you asked for it. 100 servants and 100 camels loaded with gold. Just say the word and I'll deliver it in 30 minutes or less or your meal free. Hey, I'll even throw in a cappuccino.
No thanks.
Okay.
I think I'll put that on hold until we reach Agrabah.
Oh, why a prince?
You see, there's this girl in Agrabah named Jasmine. But she's a princess. And she could never fall for a guy like me.
Jasmine?
Oh, that's right. She's in trouble, Aladdin.
What? Well, come on, let's get going.
Dang.
Let's share the great outdoors.
I guess you don't get out much, huh?
pretty baked.
Comes with a job. Phenomenal cosmic powers, infinite living space. It's always 3 wishes, then back to my portable prison. I'm lucky to see the light of day every century or two.
Say, Genie, what if I use my last wish to free you from the lamp? What do you think?
You do that?
Genie, it's a promise. After we help Jasmine.
Okay, what the fuck just happened and where do I go? Oh, I'm back out here. Holy shit. Holy God. Gotta cut the video off too. Holy shit. We got like 1 minute. Oh my God. Dude. Holy shit. Holy shit. How much time? Okay. Bruh. No. Holy shit, it's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit. Dude. Oh, fuck. This ain't good. This isn't good, y'all. Alright.